Hi, my name is Jeff with Patrick Cadillac. We're here today looking at the 2019 XT4, brand new model, first time out. There's a nice styling up front, the grille, headlight structure similar to the XT5, 18 to 20 inch wheels available. We have 3 trim levels, luxury, premium, luxury, and sport model. You also get the engine is a 2-liter turbo, 9-speed transmission, get 30 miles combined fuel economy. Right. In the back of the car we have 22.5 cubic feet of storage with the seats up. Also in the back seat you've got 39.5 cubic feet of leg room, class leading, largest for its segment. Right. As I was saying, this has 39.5 inches of leg room in back here. I adjusted the seat where I would normally sit. So now if I was sitting behind myself, you can see how much space I have. Plenty of leg room. I'm 5'11", so if you're 6'1", 6'2", you're still gonna have plenty of room. All right, this one is the premium luxury model. As I said, there's 3 trim levels: luxury, premium, luxury, and sport. You can see this one has a little bit nicer interior. If you get the tech package, that would give you wireless charging. If you get the user experience, that gives you the navigation and the Android and Apple CarPlay. So even if you got the car and it didn't have navigation, you'd have navigation available through your phone. If you get the comfort and convenience package, it'll give you the massage seats. You also have heated and front and rear seats with this model.